Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. You know, time is the only real precious commodity when you're working in the affiliate marketing space, and you need to leverage time the best you can, and that's exactly what people are doing with AI software, for example. Now, I'm always open to anything that will save me a lot of time. Time is money to me, and if I can find something I can do that will give me an edge in affiliate marketing, then I would gladly use it. No argument there. So I do work that may take days and weeks when someone else has done all the heavy lifting for you. See, and all you have to do is just basically copy and paste and edit if required. So in this tutorial, I want to show you an example of that. So let's jump into the computer and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay guys, so here we are on the Clickbank Marketplace, and one of the best selling products is Affirmation. Anything regarding inspirational power words, that type of thing. There's one here, Mind Zoom Affirmations, which the average conversion is nearly $58. But affirmations are basically these inspirational power words. They're all over social media. Basically positive statements that will motivate you and erase negative thoughts. And it's all about positive mindset. Go anywhere on social media, you will see lots of these on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Big business. It's all about mindset. But here's just an example of a product that you could promote in this mindset niche. Now, I'm all about saving time, obviously. Now, there's ways where you can use ChatGPT, like I've done it here, and I just said, could you make me a list of 100 daily affirmations? And this is no problem for chat. And so here you are. So you can see what I mean. I am in perfect health, body and mind. It's all positive mindset stuff. I'm in the flow of life and the trust to process. And you could basically copy these to an Excel file, go over to Canva and then bulk upload them with, I think you can only do it on one template, so the picture template is the same for all of these, and just post them all over social media. So obviously you can add your website details if you want. You can edit these as you wish, but obviously this is all work. It's maybe take you maybe an hour to do this, and maybe they're not the best. You've got obviously the same image, but a different message each day, and people are going to say, oh, it's the same message. So the only way to do that is spend a bit of time and just changing the message. But if you didn't want to do that, have a look at this. So just on Etsy, you can see basically 500 daily affirmations Instagram videos in a bundle. So everything is basically done for you here. As you can see, all these messages on the videos are already done. You don't need to do anything. All on different templates, obviously, which is so important. And all you have to do, you just download them and upload them. You can edit them if you want. You can add your website details if you want. Whatever you wanted to do with these, put them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. If you're promoting something like the affirmation products on Clickbank. You can see it's all good stuff, saves you so much time. But the best thing is, look at the price. For 500 of these is only £10. I mean, that's absolutely nothing, isn't it? I mean, how do you value your time? I mean, it's crazy really when you think about it. So you get 500 daily affirmations, Instagram Reel videos, video bundle, Instagram videos, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever you want to do. Saves you so much time. And you've got these professionally made daily affirmations on different templates. All good stuff. So there you go. These are all videos. They're not just images. These are videos that you can use. But this seller has got absolutely all sorts of things. So if you're in the popular yoga niche, for example, he's got 2,500 yoga videos. So things like this, 2,500 yoga videos with private label rights and master resale rights. You could actually resell these if you wanted to. Massive marketplace, yoga. Approximately 2,500 yoga with resale rights. So look what else it says. Unlock the potential of building a thriving business in the wellness industry. It's $1 billion business, anything like this. You can basically see what they do, all different types of yoga techniques, and if you are promoting yoga products, maybe mats, training courses, anything like that, this would be absolutely perfect. And look at the price, it's only £4.80, which is probably about $7. But this is the template factory. They have different things to use, and save you so much time. Here's another one, entrepreneur, motivational. Let's have a look at this. So all these big speakers, motivational speakers. So if you're promoting anything like wealth, anything like that, let's have a look. Yeah, use them again. See, it's great stuff. It just saves you so much time. I mean, obviously you can download a lot of this stuff from TikTok and remove the watermark, but it's all work. And here you got 120 just for about $7 that you can use again and again and again and again on all the different social media platforms. Let's go back to the factory, see what else they've got. See, they're all Canva editable things. What's this? 500 ultimate motivational. So they've got 100 fitness and gym here as well, which you can use if you're into the fitness market. 100 mindset, 100 entrepreneur motivational, 100 business finance motivational, 100 money wealth motivational. So obviously if you're in the make money online niche, then here we go again. And it's a giveaway. How much is that? It's probably about $13. And you're getting 500 videos which you can use in your marketing. Saves you so much time. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the description below this video, and you can have a look at this if that interests you. Whatever niche you're in. Let's just go back and look at this template factory again. I'll leave you the link to this, and you can have a look for yourself if it's a good thing to buy for you, and then you can use it in your promotional videos on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook Reels, and obviously YouTube Shorts you can do as well. So it seems to save you so much time. For me, it's if you're into that. I'm not into these niches, but if I was, I would just buy these and then just keep pumping them out with obviously I would put a link, I would edit them and just put a link to a website at the bottom of each video, and then obviously you can just put your link in the bio or in the profile. But this video was all about saving you so much time. Time is a real commodity, precious commodity, and this can save you so much time for just a few dollars. So I hope you found this inspirational for you. But this is one way of saving your time, and you can make more money promoting these Clickbank products, which are obviously good sellers, and they make good commissions. Now, if you're interested in a more solid business away from social media, building websites, blogs and YouTube channels, then and you're interested in making $100 a day, $3,000 a month, I have the perfect program, the best training program I've seen in 23 years, and here it is. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.